In this video, I will show you how to transform Chatgpt into a professional Instagram caption writing assistant for your business. Let's get started. First, I start by defining a clear persona for the AI, asking it to avoid generic marketing fluff and focus on scroll-stopping hooks. I'll paste a detailed prompt that sets the tone for a warm, conversational, and grounded brand voice. Chatgpt responds by outlining a 4-step strategy for every caption it writes, ensuring each post includes a strong opening line and a meaningful call to action. It even provides a quick comparison to show how it will turn a generic cinnamon roll description into a compelling story. Next, I'll provide specific details for a local business called The Daily Grind to see how it handles a real-world scenario. I'm asking for 5 different types of posts, including a product highlight, a behind-the-scenes look, and a customer appreciation shout-out. The results are impressive, delivering 5 unique captions that feel authentic to a neighborhood coffee shop. Each post uses sensory details and engaging questions to encourage followers to leave a comment. Now, I want to compare different formatting styles, so I'll ask for 2 versions of a seasonal menu launch post. I request one version with no hashtags and a second version that includes a curated list of niche tags for better reach. Chatgpt generates 2 cozy, autumn-themed options that focus on the experience of the new menu. These variations make it easy to choose the right style based on whether I want a clean aesthetic or more discoverability. Finally, I'll have the AI generate a full 7-day content calendar to take the stress out of planning. I ask for a week of diverse content that covers everything from barista spotlights to educational coffee tips. The generated plan provides a structured schedule with specific themes for every day of the week. This comprehensive strategy ensures the feed stays fresh and engaging while maintaining a consistent brand voice. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.